myself when I look in the mirror sometimes and I see how ripped I am. I'm like, dude, am I even healthy at this point that I'm so ripped and malnourished? Dude, I'm telling you. Chad, I'm telling you, it's a crazy world. It is. Wait, Chad, what is the longest everyone in here has been without eating? I feel like I could probably make it probably a month. I feel like I could go a month without eating and be cool with that. Accurate.
Huh?
Oh yeah, by the way, if you do search up caseoh, that's what pops up.